Hi, welcome to this episode of CFISD 360, the show where we give you some of the best news and sports stories and show you a 360 view of the district. I'm Kylie Flores with JVTV from Jersey Village High School. Today we come to you from the CFISD AFJROTC Pass and Review at the Cypress-Fairbanks Stadium. More than 1,000 cadets representing CFISD's 12 high schools and 9 JROTC units display their discipline at the district's 18th annual Air Force Junior ROTC Pass and Review, held March 26th at the Berry Center.
It's an opportunity for us to get all the schools together at one time, whereby basically they get a chance to do a pass and review, and all the parents and friends and family come out and see their cadets in uniform at one time as a district.
Not only is it a family, we also teach me discipline and hard work, but it's also one of my life's goals to join the military and serve this nation.
Cypress Springs STEM Academy for Automation, Robotics, and Computer Science, or ARC students, competed last weekend in the first robotics competition. Robotics teams that competed in this event earned ranking points toward qualifying for state. The Panthers were excited about the opportunity to put their skills to the test.
Today's an awesome day because we finally get to test our skills that we've been developing as we've been in the ARC program. We basically built the robot in class, and we only really get to test it in class. We never get to test it against other people. So this unique experience is cool to me and cool to my teammates.
Time now to go beyond the score with CFISD Sports.
Thanks, Kylie. I'm Malachi Leitner from Cougar Productions at Cypress Creek High School. CFISD recently completed Phase 2 of a bond project to upgrade all high school baseball and softball fields. This project is funded by the CFISD 2019 bond. Athletes and coaches are so grateful for the upgrades.
The new baseball field has been tremendous for us. We've not lost a single day of practice due to weather. We had a major rainstorm come through on Tuesday, and by 11 o'clock our field is playable and ready to go.
Favorite part about the field is that it's turf, so it really mimics like upper level college ball, and we can get used to it.
Soccer postseason is here, and several CFISD soccer teams have qualified. The Bears are one of those teams that are moving on after their win.
It always feels good to advance to the next round. The boys have worked really hard for this. They're committed, they're bonded. It's gonna be a lot of fun on Friday. Y'all make sure you make it out against the Woodlands on Friday.
For Beyond the Score with CFISD Sports, I'm Malachi Leitner.
That does it for this edition of CFISD 360. If you have a great story idea, please scan that QR code and submit. Thanks for joining us as we show how CFISD is bringing out the best.